Welcome to question 2 of the 2019 Mathematical Methods Exam 1 for the Northern Hemisphere. In this video we will be looking at the solution for this question. A reminder that this video is in no way endorsed by VCAA. For question 2 we're asked to find f of x given that f of 1 is equal to negative 7 over 4 and f dashed of x, the derivative, is equal to 2x squared minus a quarter x to the power of negative 2 over 3. So to find f of x, we know that we could integrate or anti-differentiate the derivative. And in this case, the derivative has the rule 2x squared minus a quarter x to the power of negative 2 over 3, and we're going to complete that with respect to x. Therefore, f of x, the function that we're after, is going to equal, and in this case we've got terms that just have rational powers, so we simply add 1 to the power. So we have 2x to the power of 3 and then divide by the new power, and then we have minus a quarter, and then we have x to the power of, and adding 1 to this power is the same as adding the fraction 3 over 3, so that will give us positive a third, and then dividing by a third is the same as multiplying by 3, so that's how we can treat that part of the anti-differentiation. And then we're also going to have a plus c term here, where c is some real number that we need to find using a second piece of information. In this case, we're given the information that f of 1 is equal to negative 7 over 4. So therefore, f of 1 is going to equal 2 times 1 cubed over 3 minus, and this is 3 over 4 times 1 to the power of a third, plus c, and we know that is going to equal minus 7 on 4. Therefore, we find 2 times 1 cubed over 3 is just 2/3, minus, and then we have 3 over 4 times 1 to the power of a third, and 1 to the power of any power is still going to be 1, so we have minus 3 over 4, plus some value is equal to minus 7 over 4. Now this is simply a case of finding what the value of c must be, and as we have denominators of 3 and 4, we can find a lowest common denominator of 12, so 2 over 3 can be written as 8 divided by 12, and then subtract 3/4, which is 9 over 12, plus the value of c is equal to, and this is going to be minus 21 over 12. So therefore, if we just continue our working up here, we have minus 1 over 12 on the left hand side, so we're going to add 1 over 12 to both sides, and we find c is equal to minus 20 over 12, so therefore c must equal, and this simplifies down to be minus 5 over 3. So therefore the function f of x, which is what we were asked to calculate back here, is going to equal 2x cubed over 3 minus 3 over 4 x to the power of a third, and then the plus c value that we found just before will be on the end, which will be minus 5 over 3. So that is the answer to this question. And we can see that that's the same answer that's given in the examiner's report for this exam.